Today I am going to teach you complex number. We know that a real number can be represented by point on a line in a such a way that the corresponding to every real number there is one and only one point on the line, and corresponding to every point on the line there is one and only one real number. Similarly, we can represent a complex number. Here complex number z is equal to x plus iy. Draw the first coordinate axis. Argand diagram or complex plane. First draw coordinate axis. X can be x-axis. X can be represented by the point x0 on the x-axis. Y can be represented by the point 0y on the y-axis. Then the point xy represent a complex number. Z is equal to x plus iy. That is x plus iy is equal to xy. X is equal to real part of z is represented on the x-axis. So x-axis is called real axis. Similarly, y is equal to imaginary part of z is represented on y-axis. So the y-axis is called imaginary axis. Such a representation of complex number by point in a plane is called Argand diagram on complex plane. Example, the complex number 2 plus 3i can be represented by the point 2, 3. 2, 3. The complex number 3 minus 4i can be represented by the point 3 minus 4. The complex number 4i can be represented by the point 0, 4. Here real part not given. That is 0, 4 on the y-axis. The complex number z is equal to real part 0, imaginary 0. That is 0 complex is represented by the origin. Example, if z is equal to 3 plus 5i, then represent z conjugate minus z conjugate in Argand diagram. First point, conjugate. We know that conjugate 3 plus 5i. Conjugate write as 3 minus 5i. Conjugate symbol z conjugate 3 minus 5i. Next find minus z. Minus z taking minus sign. Minus 3 minus 5i. Next minus z conjugate. Minus z conjugate. Here changing sign. Minus 3 imaginary part changing sign. Minus 3 plus 5i. The complex number z conjugate minus z conjugate are respectively by the point. First point 3, 5. A 3, 5. B 3 minus 5. C minus 3 minus 5. D minus 3, 5. Respectively as in the figure, following figure. First draw coordinate axis. First complex number z is equal to 3 plus 5y, 0.35. Plot the point A, x coordinate 3, y coordinate 5. Second complex number 3 minus 5. Complex number 3 minus 5y, z conjugate b coordinate 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5. Point C minus z minus 3 minus 5y, point minus 3 minus 5, minus 3 x coordinate, y coordinate minus 5. Next complex number minus z conjugate minus 3 plus 5y, coordinate minus 3, 5, x coordinate minus 3, y coordinate 5. Plot the point. This is Argand diagram. Next point, modulus of z and argument of z. If z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then modulus of z is defined as modulus z defined under root of a square plus b square, and is denoted by symbol. This is modulus symbol, modulus of z, or modulus of z is equal to complex number a plus ib. Z write as here a plus ib, or modulus of z. R is equal to modulus of z is equal to under root of a square plus b square is equal to OP. Hence, modulus of z is the distance of P from the origin, where the point P represent the complex number z in the plane. Example, complex number z is equal to 4 plus 3i. Modulus of z is equal to modulus z defined as under root of a square plus b square is equal to under root of 16 plus 9 is equal to under root of 25 is equal to 5. Argument of z. Argument of z, OP makes an angle theta with the positive direction, anti-clockwise direction, positive direction on x-axis. Then theta is called argument or amplitude of the complex number z is equal to a plus ib, denoted by argument of z or amplitude of z. Sin theta b by r, and cos theta write as a by r. B is equal to r sin theta, and a is equal to r cos theta, and tan theta, r sin theta by r cos theta, r get cancelled, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta is equal to b by a. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. Shifting tan inverse b by a is equal to argument of z. If z is equal to 3 plus 3i, then here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 3. Find argument of z or amplitude of z. Argument of z, theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. B value 3, put a value 3, tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1. 1 write as tan pi by 4. Tan inverse result pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 value pi by 4. If tan x is equal to y, then inverse is given by inverse x is equal to tan inverse y, as tan pi by 6, tan 30 degree, 1 by root 3. Write this inverse form. Inverse form, x is equal to, here x replaced by pi by 6. Pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse y, that is tan inverse 1 by root 3. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 pi by 6. Tan minus pi by 4. We know that result tan minus theta result minus tan theta. This is right as minus tan pi by 4. Tan 45 degree minus 1. Sorry, tan 45 1. That is minus 1. Outside here minus sign, minus 1. Write the inverse. Tan minus pi by 4 is equal to minus 1. Here x is equal to minus pi by 4. X write as minus pi by 4. Tan inverse, and y write as minus 1. Example, find the modulus and amplitude of complex number 7 minus 5i. Modulus, here a is equal to 7, b is equal to value minus 5. Modulus is defined as under root of a square plus b square, that is under root of 7 square plus minus 5 square, 49 plus 25 under root of 74. The next, find amplitude of complex number. Amplitude of theta is given by amplitude theta formula tan inverse b by a, b value minus 5, a 7, tan inverse minus 5 by 7. But tan inverse minus theta result minus tan inverse theta. Tan inverse minus theta result minus tan inverse theta, that is minus tan inverse 5 by 7. Example second, find modulus and amplitude of complex number minus 3 in bracket 1 minus I. Complex number denoted by letter Z. Minus 3, minus minus become plus 3i. Z minus 3 plus 3i. Question, find modulus. A is equal to minus 3, B is equal to 3. Modulus is defined as under root of a square plus b square is equal to, put a and b value, under root of 18. 18 write as 9 into 2, that is 3 under root of 2. Next, find amplitude. Amplitude of theta is given by theta is equal to tan inverse b by a is equal to tan inverse, put b and a value, b 3, a minus 3, tan inverse 3 get cancel, tan inverse minus 1. Tan inverse minus 1 using result. Sorry, minus 1 write as minus 1 write as tan pi by 4. We know that allied angle formulae minus tan theta is equal to formula tan pi minus theta minus tan pi by 4, here theta replaced by pi by 4, is equal to tan pi minus pi by 4, tan pi minus pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. Using result, tan inverse tan, write as result tan inverse tan theta result theta, that is 3 pi by 4. Find the modulus and amplitude of complex number 1 plus 2i whole bracket square into 1 minus I. 1 plus 2i whole bracket square 1 minus I. Expansion 1 plus 2i whole bracket square expansion 1. Middle term 2ab, 2 into 1 into 2i, 4i plus b square, 4i square, 1 minus I. But I square value minus 1. 1 plus 4i minus 4 into 1 minus I. That is subtraction minus 3 plus 4i into 1 minus I. Multiplication of these two bracket, minus 3 minus 3 minus minus become plus 3i plus 4i minus 4i square. But I square again value minus 1 minus 3, here addition 7i minus minus plus 4, I square value minus 1, minus 3 plus 4 1, 1 plus 7i. Complex number z is equal to 1 plus 7i. Question, find modulus. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7. Modulus defined as r is equal to modulus z is equal to under root of a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 7 square. Addition under root of 50 write as 25 into 2 is equal to 5 root 2. Next, find amplitude of z. Amplitude theta is given by formula theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. Put b value and a value. B value 7 and a value 1. Tan inverse 7. Next point, polar form of a complex number. If the ray OP makes an angle theta with the positive x-axis, then the angle theta is called argument of z, denoted by argument of z. From the figure, argument of z, let the complex number z is equal to a plus ib be represented by the point P, A, B. OP is equal to R is equal to modulo Z is equal to defined as under root of A square plus B square is called modulus of complex number. Let theta is equal to tan inverse B by A and OP is equal to R under root of A square plus B square. Then P, R theta are called polar coordinate of P. P, r theta is called polar coordinate of P. Cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse, A by r. Sin theta, opposite side by hypotenuse, sin theta write as B by r. Cos theta is equal to, A is equal to r cos theta, B is equal to r sin theta. Therefore, substituting A and B value, put A r cos theta, B value r sin theta, I r sin theta. Z is equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. This is called polar form of complex number. Z is equal to A plus I B. Exponential form, e raised to I theta, write as cos theta plus I sin theta. Let Z is equal to A plus IB, complex number. Then polar form is Z is equal to R in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. But cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to e raised to I theta. Z is equal to r e raised to I theta, where r modular z, theta argument of z. This is called exponential form. Z is equal to r e raised to I theta is called exponential form, and z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta is called polar form. Example, express the following complex number in polar form and exponential form. Complex number -1 plus root 3i. Here a is equal to -1 and b is equal to root 3. R defined as, modular z defined as under root of a square plus b square. Substituting a and b value, r is equal to under root of -1 square plus root 3 square, that is 1 plus 3 under root 4, 2. R is equal to 2. But polar form, find cos theta and sin theta value. Cos theta and sin theta value. Polar form, z is equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Next find cos theta and sin theta. Cos theta a by r. A value -1, r value 2. Sin theta b by r. B root 3, r 2. Cosine ratio, minus sign as it is, 1 by 2 write as cosine ratio 1 by 2 value cos 60 degree. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin ratio root 3 by 2 value sin pi by 3. Sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2. Here using allied angle formula, cos theta is equal to minus cos pi by 3. Cos minus cos theta allied angle formula cos pi minus theta, and sin theta allied angle formula sin pi minus theta. Minus cos theta is equal to cos pi minus theta, here theta replaced by pi by 3, is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. Subtraction 3 pi minus pi cos 2 pi by 3. And sin theta is equal to sin 3 pi minus pi. Sin theta is equal to sin pi minus theta result. Here theta replaced by pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. Sin 2 pi by 3. Cos get cancel, sin get cancel. Theta is equal to value pi by 3. Then polar form of Z is equal to R in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Substituting theta value 2 pi by 3, 120 degree. R value 2, 120 degree right as radian, 2 pi by 3. And exponential form Z is equal to R e raised to I theta. Put R 2, theta value 2 pi by 3. This is polar form and this is exponential form. Next example. -1 plus 0i. This is of the form a plus ib, where a is equal to -1, b is equal to 0. Question same. Find the polar and exponential form. First find r value and next find cos theta and sin theta. R define under root a square plus b square. -1 square plus 0 square is equal to 1. Cos theta a by r. A value -1, r 1 -1. Sin theta b by r 0 pi 1 0. Cos 180 -1. Sin 180 0. Cos pi -1. Sin pi 0. Therefore, theta is equal to value pi. Then polar form of Z is equal to R in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. Put theta value pi. R value 1 in bracket cos pi plus I sin pi. And exponential form Z is equal to R e raised to I theta. Put theta is equal to here pi. R value 1 e raised to I pi. This is exponential form and that is polar form. Next example, 1 plus 2i by 1 minus 3i. Here, this example convert to complex number form. Dividing numerator and denominator by conjugate of the denominator. 1 minus 3i conjugate, 1 plus 3i, 1 plus 3i. Multiplication. 1 plus 3i plus 2i plus 2 into 3 6i square. Denominator 1 minus 9i square. 1 plus 5i, I square value minus 1 minus 6. 1 I square minus 1. Here, printing mistake, minus 9. Minus minus become plus 9. 1 plus 9. Minus 5 plus 5i by 10. Dividing, separating denominator, minus 5 by 10, minus 1 by 2. 5 by 10, 1 by 2. Complex number Z is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 I. Question, find polar and exponential form. First find R. A minus 1 by 2. B 1 by 2. Next find r. r under root of a square plus b square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by root 2. Next find cos theta and sin theta value. Cos theta a by r minus 1 by 2 by r value 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by 2 by 1 by root 2. Rationalization taking minus 1 by root 2. Sin theta b by r. b 1 by 2, r 1 by root 2. Again taking rationalization 1 by root 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 cosine ratio 1 by root 2 value cos pi by 4. Sine ratio 1 by root 2 is equal to sine pi by 4. Cos theta minus 1 by root 2 and sin theta 1 by root 2 minus cosine ratio cos pi by 4, sine ratio sin pi by 4. But minus cos theta is equal to allied angle formula cos pi minus theta. But theta is equal to pi by 4. Minus cos pi by 4 is equal to cos pi minus pi by 4. Sin theta, allied angle formula sin pi minus theta. Now sin pi by 4, put theta pi by 4. Sin pi minus pi by 4. Subtraction 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4. Cos get cancel, sin get cancel. Here theta angle 3 pi by 4. Then polar form of z is substituting z is equal to r is equal to value cos theta value and sin theta value. Sorry, theta value, r and theta value. R value 1 by root 2, theta 3 pi by 4. This is polar form. Write the exponential form. Exponential form formula z is equal to r e raised to I theta. Put r is equal to 1 by root 2, theta 3 pi by 4. This is exponential form. Next example, z1 is equal to 1 plus I, z2 2 minus 3i. Verify the following. z1 plus z2 total, z1 plus z2 conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. Similarly, second example minus sign here and a third into. First find addition. First example z1 plus z2 conjugate. First find addition z1 plus z2 only. z1 1 plus I plus 2 minus 3i is equal to 3 minus 2i and its conjugates 3 plus 2i. Conjugate 3 plus 2i. RHS side z1 conjugate plus z2 conjugate. z1 is equal to 1 plus I, that's conjugate 1 minus I. z2 given to be 2 minus 3i and that's conjugate right as 2 plus 3i is equal to 3 plus 2i. From 1 and 2 same answer, 3 plus 2i, 3 plus 2i. z1 plus z2 conjugate is equal to z1 conjugate plus Z2 conjugate. Similarly, Z1 minus Z2, same method. Subtraction here, minus 1 plus 4i. That's conjugate minus 1. Here changing sign, plus sign, minus 4i, minus 1 minus 4i. Next find Z1 conjugate, 1 minus I, minus Z2 conjugate, 2 plus 3i. From 3 and 4, same answer. Z1 minus Z2 conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate minus Z2 conjugate. Third example, multiplication example. Z1 Z2 conjugate. First find multiplication Z1 into Z2. Z1 1 plus I, Z2 2 minus 3i. Multiplication 2 minus 3i plus 2i minus 3i into I square. 2 subtraction minus I square minus 1 minus minus plus 3. 5 minus I. Z1 Z2 conjugates. LHS side Z1 Z2 conjugates. The conjugate is equal to, here minus sign, conjugate write as plus sign, 5 plus I. RHS side Z1 conjugate into Z2 conjugate. Z1 conjugate 1 plus Z1 1 plus I, that's conjugate 1 minus I, and Z2 2 minus 3I, conjugate 2 plus 3I. Multiplication again same, 5 plus I. From 5 and 6, Z1 Z2 conjugate is equal to Z1 conjugate Z2 conjugate. Express the following complex number in the form x plus iy root 2 cos 7 pi by 4 plus I sin 7 pi by 4. This example write as complex number in the form x plus iy. Cos 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 means 315 degree. Cos 315 write as using allied angle formula cos 360 minus 45. That is 360 means 2 pi minus pi by 4. Cos 2 pi minus theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta, fourth quadrant, cos theta. Cos pi by 4. Here theta replaced by pi by 4. Theta replaced by here pi by 4. Cos 2 pi minus pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4. Same, find the value of sin 7 pi by 4. Sin 7 pi by 4 write as sin 2 pi minus pi by 4. 7 pi by 4, 315 degree. 360 minus 45. But sin 360 minus theta. Sin 2 pi means 360 minus theta. Sin 360 minus theta formula, allied angle formula, fourth quadrant minus sin theta. That is minus sin pi by 4. Therefore, root 2 cos 7 pi by 4 plus I sin 7 pi by 4. Root 2 cos 7 pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Sin 7 pi by 4 value minus sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Multiplying root 2 in bracket, root 2 cancel, 1 minus I, which is of the form x plus iy. Next example, e raised to pi by 3 I. Let z is equal to e raised to pi by 3 I. exponential form, z is equal to r e raised to I theta. My here r is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi by 3. Then polar form of z is polar form, find the value of r and theta. Polar form z is equal to r in bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. R is equal to 1 theta pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree 1 by 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, which is of the form x plus iy. X plus iy, here x 1 by 2 and y value root 3 by 2.